Oh, I just said, wow, I guess I've arrived. This is Bill, and Bill's wearing his, his number 13 jersey. Wow, that's cool.
Wow.
That is. Alright, that's his boy there. Cindy just got the noodles out from the stove. And the children will be arriving shortly. As
Yeah, you can put in the fridge.
Icebox.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. So what is today, Bill?
Halloween!
Oh, Halloween Day. October 31st. Whose birthday is today? Whose birthday is today?
All Saints.
No, tomorrow.
Eric Nakagawa. Eric.
I thought it was today on the
Yeah,
Facebook.
the gambler.
His birthday today.
Today, oh, that's right, yeah.
So the plan is we're going to pass out candy. These are specialized candies. See this one?
What is that?
When they crack it, it blows up.
No, it makes a light.
Honey, you gotta leave this open or else it's going to not be so
Oh, is that-
crispy.
Yeah.
It's not really loud.
Yeah. She know.
It's not really
This
loud.
is not her first rodeo, Bill.
Just put like that.
Yeah, honey.
Does this have to be?
No worry. No more fly. No more fly in the house.
No.
No flies in this
Sure,
house.
just only salsa for this. No need to put in the fridge.
Cindy's paranoid about two things. What was that again, Cindy?
Quinoa salad.
Quinoa.
Yeah, look.
What is that?
It look like.
No spill, no.
Yeah, it look like a taboo.
Wow. Look at that.
Looks good.
Wow. Looks deadly. Absolutely.
And what's that dessert you made?
Leche.
Leche flan.
Oh, that one is sugar free. So as we get ready for the children to arrive,
Samosas.
Everyone's done here.
Cindy's the pandy
Okay,
casserole.
let's start. Begin.
The samoa.
Samosas.
Begin.
Oh, but we're gonna say the prayer
Of
first.
course.
Come, go say prayer, and then anybody can eat whenever already. Okay, bye. And then Cindy
Or
scolded me.
chopstick or whatever.
You're right.
And what is this one for?
The lumpia.
This
And
one
this
for
one.
lumpia.
Oh, the lumpia is crispy.
This
So
one
look at this. So look at this, bro. Look at this.
Lester, what do you need me to do with this glass? Are you wanting me to wash it?
Yeah, try to look down. Stain right on the lip.
You want bigger bowl, like a smaller bowl, maybe about like this size.
Yeah.
Right here.
There, help yourself. They're all kind of
Wow, here they come. The first of them. Wow, this is a trip. Check it out. Happy Halloween, everybody! Right on. We'll have a safe one here so you guys can stop and get a bag. All right, what are you? You're some kind of an angel?
No.
What?
Fairy.
What? Fairy princess?
I'm a fairy princess.
Oh, what is this? Try look at her. Tell me, what is she?
Happy Halloween. You're a princess fairy. You're a fairy.
Oh.
There's candy and
Oh, Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman. What the world gonna do without you? Wonder Woman.
oh yeah, like my daughter's.
Wonder Woman. What the world gonna do without you?
Oh there.
Right there. Yeah.
There.
But what we gotta do is we gotta give them to the kids. Put them inside because we don't want them to touch. Yeah.
Okay.
Touch. Yeah. We gotta put masks. So Cindy gotta be the one who give them. Wonder Woman. Wow, what we got here? Oh, Tiffany. Hi. Oh, we got, what is this? Robin Hood? All right. Yeah, so you can use it for safety. Okay, there. Oh, have a great evening. All
Happy
right. One boy and one girl. Oh. Yeah, you crack them. They go crack them. Let them crack them. Let them crack them themselves.
Thank you.
Put them around the neck so they don't get run over.
Thank you.
Aloha. Happy Halloween. Halloween. Wow. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Oh, go across the street, bro. Go to the table right there. Get candy. Take. That's Tracy's house. Aloha. Don't forget, go across the street. Go Tracy's house. Right there. Follow them. They get candy on the table. Alright. That's cool, bro. You're awesome. Happy Halloween. Hang in there. Yeah. Aloha. I want to wish you a happy Halloween. Aloha. Yeah. Yeah. Not as much as normal.
Maybe about 4 couples.
Happy Halloween. Yeah, that's Mickey and Minnie, alright. Happy Halloween! Oh, unicorn! Wow, that's super cool. Wow. Yeah, there's a glow stick in there so you can use it to keep yourself safe tonight. Okay. There's a glow stick in there with a string to keep you safe tonight. Yeah. Okay. Don't forget to go across the street. Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow, look at that.
Huge.
Wow, that's freaky. Camera time. Blue. Blue, blue, blue. Blue. Blue moon. Bill. Big.
Oh, you know what a blue moon is?
Yeah, big.
No, listen to him. Listen to him. Oh. Come on, my brother. Oh, I swear. Okay. Johnny will bite you.
Hey guys, see that?
It's a camera.
Do you have any candy?
Watch out, watch the dog. Watch out the dog. I'll go bring him over here. I'll go bring him over here.
Doggy's gonna come if you.
Where's your clicker?
Wow, what kind of nets? Wow, that's smart. Ours is all hermetically sealed. Happy Halloween. Across the street, go. Tracy, get candy. His one is the easy one. Tracy not here. Oh, so look what we got. trippy.
Happy Halloween.
Happy
Oh,
Halloween.
This one is fine. He's not gonna eat candy. He's too young for it. Thank you.
Aloha. Go across the street to Tracy's house. Aloha. What are you? Who are you?
Rapunzel.
Wow.
Down your long hair.
You look fantastic. Happy Halloweeny. Bye. Be safe. Bill's having a thrill with my dog.
Daddy, you're stick on the